welcome to CEDIA. My name is Connor with Environmental Lights. I always like to start off by saying, although you may have never heard of Environmental Lights, you've definitely seen us. So we do the Super Bowl halftime show every year. We do the Grammys, we do the Emmys. We do a lot of big picture films out there. We actually made a specific magenta strip for T-Mobile itself, and those are in every single store across the nation. And so I just like to say that because one, it shows the quality product that we do have here at Environmental Lights. And two, it also shows, the range of what we can do for each customer that we have. I'm going to go over a couple different products here at Environmental Lights. We have our REVI low voltage system. So right here at Environmental Lights, everything is going to be low voltage. So this REVI drive is going to be a 12-channel, 250-watt driver. And I always like to say, think of it as like an amplifier and a speaker. So all you're going to be doing is running your amplifier, so your 18-2 cable from the amplifier up to the light fixture itself. All the DMX, all the smarts, everything is going to be in the power supply itself. The fixture itself is going to be a completely dummy fixture. We're basically removing the the heat from the driver or the LED itself and putting it into the power supply. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy. We do offer free design services. So send us over your general dimensions, your ceiling heights, and we can put together a design for you, not only with our downlights, but also with our linear lights as well. If you want to follow me over here, I'll show you go over the linear section. So at Environmental Lights, our linear section is going to be our bread and butter. This is kind of how we started. This is going to be a few samples of what we do offer. Do believe we have about 4,000 to 5,000 SKUs on our website, so way too many SKUs to bring over to a show like this, but guarantee you whatever you want, we have. At Environmental Lights, we just try to make it as easy as possible to work with us. So as a sales engineer, it's my job to be your one point of contact in different territories. So I will be from start to finish of every single project and work with you throughout the whole entire thing. At Environmental Lights, we also do custom cuts and custom kitted solutions. So with our LEDs, you can give me general dimensions of each room. Say you're doing the cove ceilings and you want to do perimeter lighting on the cove. Give me the general dimensions of each section and we can custom cut each strip. We can do jumpers on the corners if you want, put it in channel system, have the driver, DMX decoder, controller if you want, package it into each bag so you can drop it off into each room. That way you know where everything's going. A lot less hand holding, and we just want to make it as easy as possible for our customers. We offer a lot of pixel as well. Don't know if it's necessarily for this channel, but we always like to show kind of the range of what we have. I see the pixel often used in movie theaters, man caves, anything like that. If you want to follow me over here, this is the latest and greatest of Environmental Lights. So we did just partner with Lightheaded. Lightheaded has been in the high voltage industry for the past 41 years. Environmental Lights has been in low voltage. We combined, so every fixture you see here, and if you want to come over here, every fixture you see here is going to be available in low voltage now. So all these fixtures can run off of our 12-channel REVI power supply. And same concept, all you're doing is running your 18-2 cable from the power supply all the way to each fixture. With each fixture, you can put either 1, 2, or 4 fixtures onto a single channel. So realistically, for a smaller house, you can get away with doing one power supply and having multiple lights on that one power supply. This is our big release here, so we're very, very happy to be partnered with Lightheaded. They're a great, great brand with a lot of reputable years behind them. So that is what we're very, very excited to release here at CEDIA. If you want to follow me over here, I got one last section to show you. This is going to be a couple different strips that we do offer here at Environmental Lights. We do have a Hyperflex that's going to allow you to bend over 90 degrees on itself. This is really nice for any cove ceilings, any backlighting of TVs, projectors, what have you. Anywhere where you're not going to directly see that LED itself. And you're not going to have to cut and solder on each corner, which everyone hates to do that, so that's why we invented that. There's going to be a perforated hole in between each diode, and that allows it to bend over on itself. We have some black channel systems. We have some black PCB LEDs, dim to warm, a couple different backlighting options. We have our tunable white and our single color here. And then this is going to be another fixture for our REVI lights. I know I'm kind of going back on onto the REVI again. But with our fixture, you can customize whether you want round, square, adjustable, non-adjustable, different optics and different media inserts. I have one last thing to show you before I sign off. This right here is going to be our custom panel. I know it's a small sample size, but our custom panel can be made in up to 8 foot by 4 foot, and it comes in single color, tunable white, RGB, and RGBW. This is mainly used for backlighting countertops, wine racks, bar tops, what have you. We can do different shapes and sizes. So all we need are general dimensions. We're going to custom cut it to make sure that it's going to fit in the space. Completely load bearing, so you can put your countertop directly onto that panel, and you're going to have no issues there. So really, really cool product that we use in a lot of our home spaces and commercial spaces, and we love it. So let us know if you guys want a quote and we'll get it over to you.